High five.
Howdy guys, welcome back. Jet Scott here as always, and this is going to be a little intermission between a video that I'm working on that involves that stuff right there. That's all you're going to get to know about that stuff. So, what we're going to be doing today is prelude to a giveaway I've been planning for quite a while, and part of the giveaway is in this box from a viewer from Australia. Really cool dude. We got information on him. We're going to give him a shout out and unbox what he sent me, because what's in there is freaking wicked cool. Trust me, it's freaking wicked cool. Little flying eyeball. Just check out the artwork we got. Just check out that artwork. Oh man, that's cool shit. Oh, so the giveaway will be happening this Friday, July 3rd. Not opportune time. Hopefully people can make it. If not, well, I don't know. What can you do? The giveaway will be 8 p.m. my time, Central Standard Time. So, you know, adjust accordingly to that. And it's going to be trivia questions on how to win. So, study up on your Jezebel trivia. You know, we got slideshow videos of her, and go back and rewatch those old videos so you can learn some things about the old girl and where she came from, and oh, you know, all that kind of fun stuff. Jezebel. Anything at all Jezebel related, my 70 Ratty Charger, because what's in this box pertains to her. So it's only appropriate that, you know, we ask questions and trivia just like this. So yeah, we're going to be asking, I think, 4 questions or 5 questions. We'll have 4 or 5 items giveaway. Haven't fully decided. We got 2 items in here we're giving away, and then the other 2 items will be custom shifters. They'll either be pre-made T-handles like these to give away. If I can't make any more of these, the mold is shot. So you get your pick out of 2 of these, or I can make you some round ones. Just be regular round shift balls. They can be custom or pre-made ones, doesn't matter. So that is an option, what's inside that box. And the other 2 things, well, I think we've stalled enough. Let's open up this bad boy and see what's in here. Alrighty, well, we got you set up because I'm going to need both my hands. Before we do this, this is the man behind it, Rodney Bathgate. Go find him on Facebook, give him some love. Dude does some really awesome artwork, really cool stuff. Just go give him a follow, show him some love. This man is cool. I can't believe what he comes up with. He's just talented as hell. Also, if you come over to the Jezebel, the Blue Ratty Charger fan page, this is a good way to get in touch with me. Sometimes it's kind of a pain in the butt to use this thing on Facebook, but I post a lot of the videos on here and all that fun jazz. And here's something that'll elude. So Rodney made that guy a while back. It's not going to show real good. We'll put in little pictures right here. And yeah, he made this super realistic Jezebel, and I was like, dude, I would love to have one of those. And he was like, well, I'll see what I can work on. And I got this package a while back. Let's see what's in it. A letter. Hey Jed, here's 3 cars for you to do with what you wish. There's one with your name on it if you want to keep it for yourself. Well, of course I do. Hell yeah. It's my car. All the customs for display only and fairly fragile AE. Not for sending down the track, but all are rollers. I know they're pretty rough, but I hope you enjoy each one as a worthy tribute to Jezebel and to your channel. Keep up the great work. God bless you, man. Rod. Rod, if they're anything like what was on your Facebook page and what you sent me the pictures of, dude, they're more than worthy enough. I just think that's super cool. And very good pack job. Of course, this all is coming from Australia, and that's a long ways away from Kansas. And also check out these Australian towels. These are Way nicer than what we get here. I'm gonna keep those. So yeah, what do we got in the case? Oh yeah. So yeah, do not send these things down a track. That would not be smart. It'd be cool to see one of these go down the Llama Rosa rails on Lamb Chop's channel, but yeah, probably won't be doing that. And we have a little Jezebel. This is just something else. Obviously the wheels ain't correct. There's a lot of little things that just ain't correct, but there's only so much you can do with one of these little Hot Wheels. I mean, look at the rust patterning. He nailed the paint job. Camera focus, please. I mean, we got the little zoomies. Hell yeah. Painted the tail panel, that is correct. Let's see, let's just see. Let's see, yeah. I don't know if he intentionally did it, but there's no trim down here. The Jezebel. My name on the door, holy crap. Yeah, you guys ain't gonna be able to see that, but he put my name on the door here. And my name here, that should be Dad's name actually, but I ain't gonna complain. That is super cool. That is going to adorn my desk forever. So that is getting put away. And what do we have here? Well, this and these are for you guys. 2 lucky or unlucky viewers, depending on if you like Jezebel or not. Wow. That's just as nice as the one I just unboxed. I figured the quality would have dropped on these, but no. Wow. These are fantastic. Holy crap. Rod, if you watch this video, dude, wow. This is Ghost Rider. I'm guessing that's probably the Hot Wheels this came from. Not sure. Did the scoop. Very cool. I dig this, dude. You freaking outdid yourself. So if anybody wants to win a miniature Jezebel, we got 2 here that'll be given away. If I can figure out how to open this daggone thing, I am not the smartest man in the world. As clearly, I'm a Mopar guy. If I was smart, I would have a cheaper car. Whoa! Look at that one's rust job. So we got a couple different iterations here, actually. So this one's got a Hemi style hood scoop on it. I like that. Looks freaking sweet. Zoomies there. Dude, this is freaking wicked cool. Rod, you really did outdo yourself, man. These are freaking cool. So we actually got 3 different little mini Jezebels. See here. We got that one. That one. And that one. I never thought in my wildest dreams that my car would be cool enough to warrant that. Wow. Wow, that's fucking cool. I really like the paint on this one for some reason. I kind of wish Jezebel was that rough. Man, oh man. Man, oh man, I had to set all this up for you. I'm just absolutely blown away by the detail on those guys. I mean, they're just ridiculously cool. I kind of want to keep all 3 because when's next time I'm going to have the ability to own 3 Jezebels and hold them in my hand, even though I own the real one. But owning the real one's a little overrated, let me tell you. It's a little overrated. But yeah, tune in this Friday, July 3rd, 8 p.m. Central Standard Time for your chance to win one of the 2 mini Jezebels, and 2 people or 3 people, depending on how the stream goes, will have the opportunity to win one of these of your choice, or a custom round shifter. So all these are basically what I got left, what's available. We got all sorts of different kinds of reds, medium flake, high flake, no flake. Same thing with blue, medium, none, high flake. Just bunches of different stuff, you know, like a purple one, which was really hard to make actually. This is not black. You hold this in the light and it's red with a bunch of black flake in it. Kind of a silvery pearl color one. I like this one a lot. I really like this one. Don't ask me why. This one I believe is the one that glows in the dark. I believe, don't quote me. But yeah, stay tuned. This Friday, July 3rd, I wanted to put this video out sooner, but the video that involves that guy was supposed to get done before I did this, but that video's taking a little bit longer, but you'll see what's going on with that here soon. Hopefully that'll be done by the time the live stream's done. So, as always, guys, I hope you enjoyed, and I hope to see you Friday for sure, because the bigger the turnout we got, the better it'll be. I want to have everybody have a perfect chance, and like I said, it'll be Jezebel themed trivia or Scott Speed Shop trivia. You know, we'll see how it goes. I'm not super organized on this, because I'm just not a super organized guy. It's not how I roll, you know? So, I'll see you guys then, and hope you enjoyed just this little snippet and unboxing of a super cool Australian car builder and artist. Super cool. Don't forget, check out Rodney Bathgate on Facebook. Just give him a like and a follow and all that fun stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope to see you in the video that involves that real soon. And see you later. Bye-bye.